It's the middle of summer and it's a stinking hot day, so we've decided to cool off and have a bit of fun. We've got our swimmers and sunscreen,
And we're off to our cousin's house to have a
giant water slide! Our cousins set up a giant water slide in their backyard. It was so awesome. They laid down a sheet of black plastic on a steep slope, pegged it to the ground and put a hose on it spraying water. Just the sort of thing you need on a hot day.
Soap for every person. Woohoo! It's coming!
It's very wet. The soap makes you go faster.
The last bit's the best.
This is great.
There she goes, here she goes. Woohoo! Very good, Summer. Well done.
It's good.
Okay.
It's so hot.
What are you doing?
Hannah.
The slope was very steep, which meant that you could go very fast. A little extra soap made it feel like you were slipping down a launch pad.
Keep your legs out in front.
Our uncle and granddad stood at the bottom
Benjamin.
with a mattress to stop people sliding onto the grass. We had so much fun.
Go, Summer! Come on, Summer, yes! Go, Summer! Woohoo! Straight. Very good, Summer. You can let go of the mattress.
Watch out, here I come.
Sit up there. You can't sit there. Oh, there's Bishop. Hannah, more soap.
Tell me when to go.
Oi! Don't. Ah, they got me. Hey, Misha.
This is the best idea on a hot day.
There she goes. Go, Summer. Yeah, what a good play.
My name is Carol.
The gradient on this water slide would have to be at least 30 degrees.
You go fast. Yep. Okay.
Hope you've had fun at the water slide. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the Rea Life YouTube channel. You'll get regular videos and updates and see what the Rea girls have been getting up to.
Leave your comments and likes below to let us know that you enjoyed this video.